we are confident that we will be able to fully vaccinate at least 50% of our targeted population by the end of 2021. Currently po, our fully vaccinated rate is 28%, and we are confident that with the vaccines that have come in starting October, because of the hard work of Secretary Galvez, we will be able to meet or even exceed that target. And yung pong sinasabi ni Secretary Galvez by February of 2022, mukha pong maabot po natin yung goal natin na 70% fully vaccinated by February of 2022 para po pagdating po ng campaign, safe na po yung ating mga kababayan. We will work hard to achieve that, Mr. President, but given the supply, I think we can do it po. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Very true. Then we go to Secretary Anyo.
Magandang gabi po, Mr. President, Executive Secretary Salvador Mendaldea, Senator Bongo, public servants, and mga kababayan, magandang gabi po. Next slide, please. I-report ko lang po yung pinaka-update natin sa natitirang ayuda na pinamimigay natin sa natitirang 2 probinsya. Sa Laguna po ay 100% na po tayo. Ibig sabihin po, 2,714,966 beneficiaries ang nakatanggap. 2.7 billion po ang ating total na naipamigay na ayuda sa probinsya ng Laguna. Next slide. So yan po ang ating breakdown ng Laguna Province. Naibigay ng 100%. Wala pong nagsoli ng sobrang pera. Lahat po ay pinakinabangan. Sunod na slide. Next slide. Sa probinsya naman po ng Bataan, malapit na rin po matapos, nasa 97.95%. Kabuuan ay 683,990 recipients ang nakatanggap. So in-expect po natin na within the week ay matatapos na po itong Bataan. Next slide. So ito po yung breakdown ng mga bayan ng probinsya ng Bataan. 6 na municipalities na ang nakatapos. Next slide. Dito naman po, Mr. President, kamakailan lang po ay binuksan ng ating DICT ang online application sa plataforma upang magamit na natin yung tinatawag ng BackCert PH or